Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them.
Okay, so I'm harvesting board beans. The way I do it is you can see how little give there is in the end bean there. Whereas that one, do you see how squishy that is? That means that the beans in there is quite small, so it's not quite ready, but this one is. Board beans tend to get mature from the bottom up. And as you can see, the top ones are a lot smaller and a lot more give in there. There's not very big bean there. So when you're harvesting board beans, you want to start off at the bottom. Don't harvest them all at once because they're a one and done crop. You see that one is so, where is it? That one is extremely tiny still, look at that. So you start at the bottom and you harvest your way up. Let's see what we've got here. So give it a squish, that's a good one. Twist, it comes off. I'm gonna leave that one for a minute. Leave that one. That one's good. So I'm just gonna twist it. And as soon as you've got all the board beans, I've cut the plant down with your sucker saws that aren't rusty. Work your way along.